Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Siri and giving it microphone access. Open Settings, tap Siri and search, then turn on Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to train the voice model so Siri recognizes your voice reliably. Make sure Do Not Disturb doesn't block audio, and confirm location and contacts permissions if you want personalized replies. Now you're set to call Siri by voice or the side button. Let's use it. You invoke Siri by saying Hey Siri or pressing and holding the side button. Hold until you hear the tone for complex requests. Speak concise commands. Call a contact, send a message, set a timer, or request directions. Those succeed fastest. For multi-step tasks, use follow-ups. Ask to set a timer, then ask how much time remains. If Siri mishears, restate using names or numbers. Repeating with pause improves accuracy. You can level up Siri with shortcuts. Build a custom phrase that runs multiple actions, like text plus directions. Also enable Siri suggestions to get helpful proactive hints on your lock screen and apps. If Siri stops responding, first toggle Siri off and on in settings, then retrain Hey Siri. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear network voice problems. Lastly, check microphone clearance. Case or debris often blocks input and causes recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.